Today we're going to have a bit of an introduction to Google Drive. So in order to get to Google Drive, I'll type in the web address drive.google.com. And basically, if I've been there before or if I've logged into one of the other Google apps before, it will get me straight away to Google Drive. Otherwise, you've just got to use your login. Now, as you can see, I've got all my folders here. The secret to Google Drive is maintaining a good folder structure. Maintain a good structure and it'll be easy to use. So I'm going to go into one of my folders here. Okay, and now once I'm in a folder, I can bring up my folders straight from my desktop, or I can create new folders through Google Drive. So I'm going to bring a folder in from my desktop. I've got this file here on project work. Okay, in order to upload it to my Google Drive, all I've got to do is click and drag on it, bring it over, and it will automatically upload. Now, if this were a folder of information, a folder of data, which had multiple files in it, I could upload the folder straight away with all its files in it. So it's pretty easy to upload data to Google Drive. Now, if I want to use the applications within the Google Suite, I go over here to New. Now, New lets me create new folders. Okay, so if I want to create a new folder, and I might call it History. And I might put in all my work for my history class into that folder. Okay, I can color code my folders so they are actually easier for me to recognize. Okay, I might color code all my history work, I might color code all my geography work, just to make it easier for me to see. Okay, but the other strength in Google Drive is its actual apps, and the main apps are all the ones with Google at the front. So we've got Google Docs, okay, and Google Docs is basically the word processor of Google Drive. Okay, allowing me to type information line by line. Okay, as very similar to Microsoft Word. Now, I haven't clicked save or nothing, but when I close this, okay, will automatically create the document on my screen, and specifically in the folder that I created it on. Okay, and there it is there. Okay, I can also do a Google Sheets. Okay, and a Google Sheets is the equivalent of a spreadsheet program. Okay, so in this program, I can enter my numbers. So let's go 3, 3, and then we'll type in a formula. Equals sum of this cell plus this cell, enter, okay, and we'll put our numbers. Okay, and we've got our spreadsheet package there. Okay, it's good for an online spreadsheet service. Once again, just close it and we'll see that it's already created an actual file for it there. Okay, and we can do a Google Slides. Okay, Google Slides is the equivalent of a PowerPoint. So here, I can type in, pick my template, let's go light gradient. Okay, load it up, there we go. Welcome to Google Sites. Done in reverse cases, there we go. Okay, and just go to the side, enter, enter, enter to put in new slides. If I want to change the headings of any of these files too, I can just click up here and then go call it welcome. Right. Close once again, and we can see that's been added in automatically too. Okay, other apps as well, which I won't go into much detail on, are Google Forms, which allows me to create surveys and questionnaires, as well as quizzes, and I can incorporate that with a spreadsheet package to make it actually mark itself. Okay, and Google Drawings, which allow vector-style drawings to be created, and if you can create templates as well, which allow the students to actually complete a drawing that you've created or label a drawing. There are also third-party apps you can download for Google Drive as well, and you can create them and they'll go straight into your drive. So just try to understand the power of Google Drive. It's an online service. What I've created here, if I go to my computer at home now and access Google Drive from there, I can access all these files from here. But remember, the main strength is maintaining a folder structure that makes sense to me and for me to access my work. Okay, and all the actual apps that are available in Google Drive are quite helpful, so give it a try.